Hello, this is the Mentor Schools IT department, and today we're going to talk about Infinite Campus for students and go through some features and talk about how they get there just to help students out. So first, we want to open up Safari and then go to mentorschools.net. Once at mentorschools.net, all you need to go is hover over Parents and go to Parent Portal. And it should take you right there. Then you just need to do campus student if you're a student. And then for the username and password, it's usually your username is just your student number. And then the password is the first two letters, capital of your first name, then lowercase of your last name, dot, and then your birthday. So for example, say my birthday was January 1st, 2001. So it would be N, capital N, lowercase r, dot 01, 01, 01, for example. So when you log into Infinite Campus, the homepage should look like this. Should say the date, your name, and all that. Some of the features that a student may use is the grades. It'll show what your grades are and just go through that per quarter and stuff like that. If you go to more, you could go to assessments. That'll show your ACT score and your air test scores. And then there's student information, just a lot of important stuff in Infinite Campus for you to use if you ever forget anything. And here's if you go to documents, you could look at your report cards and your transcripts. The message center is also here. It'll have any announcements from the district. If you care to look at those, then they are here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Infinite Campus. It's very useful tool for students, especially for checking grades and your transcripts and any test scores you might have. All right, this has been IT Under 3. Go to Mentor Public Schools IT department page if you have any further questions.